All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a Rube Goldberg watering system for our little patio area here in the garden. First thing you're going to need is a leaky pipe, and then we're going to tie a couple different types of rope and yarn to those pipes. Here you go. And then we're going to then put those ropes and yarn in a pattern that allows the water to run down them. And since this is a 3D printing channel, we are going to be using a 3D printed bird feeder to catch some of that water and funnel it into this box. Some of the water is being funneled into this pot as it runs down with gravity. After that, we have a couple stacks of wood that are funneling the water into this vessel that has some irrigation tubing connected to it, and then we slowly put it directly into our plants. Thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe.